Mushrooms. Mushrooms are a type of fungus. They come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. Some mushrooms are small, while others can be very large. Mushrooms can be found in forests, fields, and gardens. They grow in damp, dark places. Some people enjoy picking wild mushrooms, but it is important to know which ones are safe to eat. There are many different types of mushrooms. They can be classified into two main categories: edible and poisonous mushrooms. 1. Edible mushrooms. Edible mushrooms are safe to eat. They are tasty and nutritious. Here are some common edible mushrooms. Button mushrooms. These are the most common mushrooms found in grocery stores. They are small, white, and have a mild flavor. They can be eaten raw in salads or cooked in dishes. Cremini mushrooms. Cremini mushrooms are brown and have a stronger flavor than button mushrooms. They are often used in pasta dishes, soups, and stir-fries. Portobello mushrooms. Portobello mushrooms are large and meaty. They are often grilled or baked. People sometimes use them as a meat substitute in burgers. Shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms are popular in Asian cuisine. They have a rich, smoky flavor. They are often used in soups, stir-fries, and sauces. Oyster mushrooms. Oyster mushrooms have a delicate taste and are fan-shaped. They can be used in various dishes, from pasta to stir-fries. 2. Poisonous mushrooms. Not all mushrooms are safe to eat. Some mushrooms are poisonous and can make people very sick. It is important to know which mushrooms to avoid. For example, death cap mushroom. This mushroom is one of the most poisonous. It looks similar to some edible mushrooms. Eating even a small amount can be fatal. Fly agaric. This mushroom is bright red with white spots. It is very toxic and can cause hallucinations and other serious health problems. Mushrooms have a unique life cycle. They begin as tiny spores. Spores are like seeds for mushrooms. When the conditions are right, the spores grow into mycelium. Mycelium is a network of fine, white threads that spread underground or through decaying material. When the mycelium is ready, it forms a fruiting body, which is the mushroom we see. The mushroom grows quickly, sometimes overnight. After it matures, it releases spores to start the cycle again. This life cycle is important for spreading mushrooms in nature. Mushrooms are healthy and nutritious. They are low in calories and high in vitamins and minerals. Some of the key nutrients in mushrooms include vitamins. Mushrooms are a good source of B vitamins, such as riboflavin and niacin. These vitamins help our bodies convert food into energy. Minerals. Mushrooms contain important minerals like selenium and potassium. Selenium is an antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage. Potassium is good for heart health and helps control blood pressure. Fiber. Mushrooms contain dietary fiber, which is important for digestive health. Fiber helps keep our digestive system working well. Antioxidants. Mushrooms are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help fight free radicals in our bodies. Free radicals can cause cell damage and lead to diseases. Eating mushrooms can offer many health benefits. Here are some reasons why mushrooms are good for you. boosts immunity. Some studies suggest that certain mushrooms can help strengthen the immune system. For example, shiitake and maitake mushrooms may enhance immune function. Supports heart health. Mushrooms are low in cholesterol and high in fiber. Eating mushrooms can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Helps with weight management. Mushrooms are low in calories and can help you feel full. They are a great addition to meals if you want to manage your weight. May improve bone health. Some mushrooms are a good source of vitamin D, which is important for strong bones. Mushrooms that are exposed to sunlight have higher levels of vitamin D. Provides energy. The B vitamins found in mushrooms help convert food into energy. This can help you feel more energetic throughout the day. Mushrooms are versatile and can be used in many dishes. Here are some popular ways to cook and enjoy mushrooms. Sautéing. Sautéing mushrooms in a pan with a little olive oil is a quick and easy way to cook them. You can add garlic, onions, and herbs for extra flavor. Grilling. Grilled mushrooms are delicious. Portobello mushrooms are great for grilling. You can marinate them before grilling for added taste. Baking. You can bake mushrooms with cheese or breadcrumbs for a tasty side dish. Stuffed mushrooms are a popular appetizer. Soups and stews. Mushrooms add flavor to soups and stews. You can use a variety of mushrooms to enhance the taste of your dish. Salads. Raw mushrooms can be sliced and added to salads. Button mushrooms are often used in salads for their mild flavor. Mushrooms are used in many cuisines around the world. In Asian cultures, mushrooms are often used in soups and stir-fries. In Italian cuisine, mushrooms are used in pasta dishes and risottos. In France, mushrooms are a key ingredient in sauces and casseroles. Some cultures have special traditions related to mushrooms. For example, in Japan, there is a festival called the Mushroom Festival, where people celebrate different types of mushrooms. They hold contests for the largest mushroom and the best mushroom dish. Many people enjoy growing mushrooms at home. It can be a fun and rewarding hobby. You can buy mushroom growing kits that come with everything you need. The kits usually contain spores and a growing medium. To grow mushrooms, you need a dark and humid environment. The spores will start to grow into mycelium, and soon you will see mushrooms sprouting. Growing your own mushrooms allows you to enjoy fresh, organic mushrooms right from your home. Conclusion: mushrooms are fascinating and nutritious organisms. They come in many types, with some being delicious and others poisonous. They play an important role in our diets and provide various health benefits. Whether you enjoy them cooked, raw, or in soups, mushrooms add flavor and nutrition to our meals. Learning about mushrooms and how to use them in cooking can make you appreciate these wonderful fungi even more. Whether you are picking wild mushrooms or growing them at home, they are a unique part of nature that we can enjoy every day.